new ones. So we got a bunch. Lots of strange ones. So yeah. This little one. Look at him. Look at him. He's so fussy. He's a little fussy butt. This territorial bugger. That's a little dinosaur right there. Cranky dinosaur. Let's go check on his friend. Oh, that hit me in the back. Okay, folks. I remember I was the one that did this. So, there's the silkies. Silky, 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 silky. Silky, silky. The little black cotton balls and fluffy cotton balls. Cute little buggers. Anyhow, wanted to show you them. Get closer. Back over there are the silkies. The little white ones. And the other ones over there, they have more feathers, are called bantams. They're all from China. All different species from China. Yeah, you saw the cranky little dinosaur in that one. That cranky, fasty one. Right around there. But anywho. Strange noises.